This video is not about coding yet, it's about preparing your mindset for hands-on AI. Up to now, we learned how to use AI. From phase 3, we will start building AI. Don't worry, you do not need to be a data scientist. Hi, I'm Avinash. Welcome to phase 3, building AI hands-on. This phase will help you understand how AI actually works behind the scene. So let's move on. Phase 3 marks a significant transition from theoretical understanding to practical application in AI learning. The primary purpose of this phase is to prepare learners for hands-on experience without overwhelming them with the technical complexity. Learner will gain clarity on what lies ahead, understand the tools and concept involved, and develop a structured approach to learn AI practically. This phase ensures that participants are mentally ready to engage with Python, machine learning concept and model building exercise in a way that feels approachable and achievable. Until now, we learned to use AI. From phase 3, we will start building it. Do not worry, you don't need to be a data scientist. Learner can expect a smooth transition from theory to practice using Python and basic machine learning concept to build real models. The content is designed to avoid heavy mathematics or complex theoretical frameworks, focusing instead on practical understanding. The ultimate goal is to confidence, not confusion. Phase 3 is not about becoming the data scientist, as I mentioned earlier, or memorizing code snippets. Instead, it encourages learning through patterns, experimentation, and correlation. The structure of phase 3 is carefully designed to promote incremental learning. It begins with Python Essential tailored for AI, followed by core machine learning concepts, model building exercise, and mini projects. Each segment builds on the previous one, creating a cohesive learning experience. To maximize learning, participants should watch videos in sequence, pause to practice, and prioritize understanding over speed. You are encouraged to engage actively with materials, experiment with codes, and reflect on outcomes. Common mistakes include copy pasting code without comprehension, skipping steps, comparing progress with others, and expecting instant result. These behaviors undermine the learning process and lead to superficial understanding. Recognizing and avoiding these mistakes is crucial for success. Preparing for Python Essential. Let's see. The next video introduces Python Essential for AI, focusing on simplicity and relevance. You will explore only the necessary components, avoiding unnecessary complexity. This preparation ensures a smooth entry into coding, reinforcing the principle that AI development is accessible and manageable for beginners. Please follow phase 3 in order. Pause the video, try things yourself, and do not rush. Understanding matters more than the speed. In the next video, we will start with Python, only what you actually need for AI. Nothing extra, nothing confusing. Thank you.